Hi everyone, welcome to the Wisdom Era online classes. Yes, my dear students, in previous class, what we are discussed is we are discussed a new poem and also an interesting poem, that is the spinning sage. Yes, I told you already in previous class about the sage, right? Sage means sage is a very wise person and who tells a moral values to us. Sage is a very wise person who tells a moral values to us and to the people. Understood? Yes, we are also discussed some interesting words in previous class, right? Yes. In today's class, we will discuss about the spinning sage and I will give explanation about this poem. And here we are going to read something different about the sage, and we also learn about foolishness. What type of foolishness has sage? We have to learn that foolishness also. Yes. See here, my dear students. Spinning sage. Spinning means moving. Say once again, spinning means moving. Understood? Yes. Come to the first stanza. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. Yes. My dear students, sage means a very wise person. Days of yore means a long ago. Yes, a long ago there lived a sage, and he a handsome pigtail wore. Yes, here sage has the handsome pigtail. See, he has the handsome pigtail, but wondered much and sorrowed more. Yes, here sage has very wondered about his pigtail, and he was very much wondered about his pigtail and also a sorrowed more. Why? Why the sage has sorrowed? Why has become a worried? Yes, here sage was always in painful and he always worried about his pigtail because his pigtail did not come in front of his head. Yes, so that he was always in painful and he was always very about his pigtail because he hung behind him. Yes, I told you his pigtail always behind him. It did not come in front of his head. So he wondered and also much worried about his pigtail. Understood? Yes. Come to the second stanza. He mused upon this curious case and swore he would change the pigtail's place and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Yes, my dear students, mused means thought. Curious means strange or different. Yes, he thought that this is a very curious case, that is a different case, and swore he would change the pigtail's place. Yes, here sage, he would like to change his pigtail's place. His pigtail place is behind him, right? He would change his pigtail place. He want to come in front of his head. He want he want that his pigtail come in front of his head. He would change that pigtail's place. Yes, my dear students, it is possible to change the pigtail's place? No, it cannot be possible. Sage thought that pigtail come in front of his head, but it did not possible. And have it hanging at his face. Yes, hanging means it bring at his in front of his head, but it did not possible. Not dangling there behind him. Dangling means hanging. Dangling means hanging. That is pigtail hanging behind him. That pigtail did not come in front of his head. Yes, my dear students, come to the third stanza. Says he, the mystery I have found, I will turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Yes, it means that the name of the poem says that the name of the poem is The Spinning Sage. Spinning means here moving. I will already told you spinning means moving. In this stanza, what the sage says? He says that the mystery I have found. Mystery means difficult to understand that, and sage says that the mystery I have found. Now I came to know the reason, the mystery behind this pigtail. Yes, the sage came to know that the pigtail behind his, yes, the pigtail behind his head. Now I will turn me round. He turned him round. Yes, it means that I will turn round. I will move round and round. And as he will turn around, but still it hung behind him. Yes, he is the sage turning round and round. I will bring the tail in front of my face. What he said, that sage? Yes, I will turn round and round, and I will bring my pigtail in front of my face. But he turned round also. He turned round, but the pigtail was remain at the same place only. It was at back side. It did not come in front. So this sage also did this. He moved round and round, but still the place of the pigtail was same. Same means here the pigtail was in back side. It would not change the pigtail place. Understood? Understood this poem? The mystery I have found. I will turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Yes, the sage moving round and round, but the pigtail's place would not be changed. The pigtail's place in backside only, but still it hung behind him. Yes, my dear students, I think you are all understood this very well. Today I will give the explanation of first 3 stanzas, right? Yes, I hope you understood these stanzas. In the next class, I will continue remaining stanzas. Thank you.